Hi, my name is Nuno Gouveia from Sonio. I'm the local account manager presenting today Sonio at the IT Forum 2025.
So when you talk about digital workspace, cloud hybrid, what is it that you do?
Right, so we are an integration provider and we do digital workplace with Omnisa, the well-known brand around the globe, giving the Workspace ONE to manage and secure devices. We also provide laptops in a managed service way for the large companies in an industrialized way.
So it's like secure workspace. People can use it. They can connect. Everything's ready. How does it work?
In fact, in the managed service way, we provide the devices pre-configured. They are already installed, ready to work with for larger companies, and the client receives that, and he can start directly to work. Simply.
And you work with these brands also behind here?
Yes, those brands are our strategic partners. So with Arctera, we have the Enterprise Vault, well-known archiving technology for journaling, classification of all communications from Exchange to BlackBerry, Teams, and so on.
And
with Cohesity has acquired Veritas. Today it is the #1 backup company in the globe with a 16% market share, and we are the #1 system integrator in Switzerland.
So you can have great cloud backups that are very secure, safe. The data integrity is perfect and everything?
In fact, today we are specialized in the best backup solutions. In general, for the workloads that are on the cloud, we back up them on the cloud also, very close to the production data. And then we give also exit strategies with a copy that are on-prem and on private clouds.
What I see there on the screen, is it your company or your partner companies, or what is this about?
This is about Flow. Flow is the #1 alternative, really Swiss, 100% Swiss, the #1 alternative to Microsoft Azure or to Amazon Web Services, where we can provision services, Kubernetes services, very simple to configure in 3 minutes.
It looks big. It's like in a bunker?
It is in a bunker. Our data centers are located in 3 locations, 5 stars data centers, ultra secured, FINMA compliant.
Nice. So nobody will get in to the bunker? It's impossible?
Nearly impossible. Ultra difficult.
It looks big.
It's very big. We can mention that those data centers are located in previous military Swiss bunkers. So it is hard to find them, hard to enter. There is a single entry. It is in the mountains. It is ultra secured, logically and physically.
Because Switzerland is the world champion in bunkers.
Absolutely.
There's so much bunkers, and some of them were built 80, 90 years ago.
In fact,
it's good to find new use for them. You just fill them up with servers.
In fact, nowadays those bunkers were not anymore necessary from a military perspective, and we use them now, we transformed them in data centers to secure the data in an ultra-secured way.
And what is this Workspace ONE?
Workspace ONE is for UEM, so Unified Endpoint Management, which means with that technology we secure and we manage centrally any device for any user in the globe.
Nice. What I want to see in Swiss bunkers is very low-cost cold backup storage, and just powered off, low power, just
in fact,
extra backup for cheap. Does that make sense? Or is it more like people mostly use more connected backups that are more expensive?
That makes sense. In fact, with the rise of cyber risks and cyber attacks for long-term retention, the best for value solution today is still the tape libraries, which bring a real air gap disconnected from the network. And nowadays we sell more tapes libraries than never before.
So you just need to do the data integrity check periodically, and then you're good, because you check that the tape is still good and your data is still there.
Yeah, in fact,
and you make a few copies.
We work with policy retentions, and the long-term retention usually goes from a hot tier storage, so which is fast for restore. The long-term go to the libraries, and they cost less for a long-term retention.
All right, cool. Yeah. So thanks a lot. So this is interesting for all over the world. People want to store in Switzerland, not just for Swiss companies.
Absolutely. Today, for example, with Flow, we have US companies like Spotify, like Uber Eats, that are storing their data in Switzerland.
Nice. That's really cool. And it's making me hungry, so I think we have to stop the video. All right, cool. Thank you so much.
It was a big pleasure. Thank you very much.